photos start with light and end with light. Light is a key element of the picture. Literally, the only reason that the image can exist. Press the shutter when the light enters into the camera, the image is passed to the film, or if it is converted into an electric signal changed to a pixel in the digital photo. Without light, there is no picture. Outdoor photography. While shooting outdoors, see where the sun is, the angle at which the subject receives the most light, and see how the subject is receiving the light. What exactly is natural light? The most basic and important form of light is natural light, which generally refers to any light produced by sunlight. What is the window light? It usually refers to natural external light shining through the window into the interior. Ambient light can be considered natural as it has a direct impact on the equipment when using a photographer's light. Color temperature. Color temperature refers to the different shades produced by different light sources. Even for experienced photographers, understanding light is the most difficult. Today, we will look at the types of light one by one according to the direction of the light. Characteristics of the light. There are four main characteristics used to classify light: color, intensity, direction, and quality. First, intensity. Light intensity is a measure of roughness or brightness and determines the amount of light present in a scene. Intensity is also referred to as the amount of light. You can estimate the light intensity based on the balance between the light and dark areas of the shadow. Direction. The direction of light changes as the sun moves. Given that the sun is below the horizon at dawn and twilight, it is almost horizontal at sunrise, and is highest and close to vertical at noon. Taking pictures at these different time periods produces significantly different images. Quality. Quality contains different characteristics and can be classified as hard, direct or soft, diffuse. Compared to the subject, the smaller the light source, the harder the quality, the more spread the light, and the softer the quality. In Adobe Lightroom, you can use the control panel to adjust the color of a photo, apply hidden details to the light, apply automatic brightness correction for the photo, and then composite the photo sky. What types of natural light are there? Hard, direct sunlight. Hard, direct sunlight can come from the sun on a cloudless day a few hours before noon or sunset. The color is neutral white at noon, cooler during the day, and warmer in the afternoon. Soft, diffuse light can appear on a foggy, snowy or cloudy day, or when the sun starts to set. It is cooler during the day, warmer in the afternoon, and has cool pastel soft shadows and soft edges at dusk, dawn, and dusk. Window lights are the primary lighting source if you are going to shoot indoors. It depends on the time and the color of the scene in which the light is reflected. The intensity also depends on the distance and angle of the subject from the source and depends on the location of the window, but it usually produces side lighting. Stained light is filtered through the leaves of the sunlight tree and mottled light is projected onto nearby surfaces. It can cast interesting shadows on the subject and make the image more attractive. Shooting golden hour when the light is as good as possible. In photography, the golden hour is the period of daytime shortly after sunrise or before sunset, during which daylight is redder and softer than when the sun is higher in the sky. The period of time right before sunrise and shortly after sunset is called the magic hour, especially by cinematographers. At this time, the object receives a warm light and is shaded, allowing interesting details in the photo. Shoot outdoors during this golden hour and make the most of the lighting effects. At this time, the shade is not long and can give the photo a special look. In the daytime when the light is too strong, use tree shade or shade from a building. Sometimes the excessive natural light is not suitable for photography. This is because the subject to be shot is too bright, and details of the subject in the picture may be buried in the light or strong shadows may occur. In this case, it is better to take pictures in the shade. Use the camera flash even on bright days. I know many people only use flash in dark places. You can turn on the flash when there is not enough light, but the flash can be useful even when it is bright, such as at noon. However, if the flash is used incorrectly, the shadow may become too strong or the subject may be diluted by the light. If the light is very bright, you can use a flash to add light to the shaded area to take a brighter picture. This will give you better quality photos you can get. However, it is not always necessary to use the camera flashlight. When the amount of natural light is adequate, shoot by adjusting the camera flashlight usage according to the situation. It's easier to learn about photography and cameras if you can attend community college photography group classes or college classes. Today, we looked at the types of light one by one according to the direction of the light. I will explain outdoor photography and window light photography in succession. I have explained how to practice as simple and easy as possible, but if you understand this, camera shooting seems not that difficult. In the next video, I will show you some more informative aspects of photography.